Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Perez. I am a visual design student, and today I'm going to talk to you about the movie Pride and Prejudice. This is a movie based on a Jane Austen book. It takes place in England at middle of the 18th century, and it is about the Bennet family, especially about the daughters. They are young ladies between 15 and 23 years old, and her mother is desperate to marry them. And of course, she wants covenant and arranged marriages. This is because they are poor and depends to Colin, who is the cousin of the young ladies and who is the only worthy of inheritance just for the fact of being the man of the family. There is five Bennet girls. There is Jane, who is the oldest and the prettiest of the of all. There is Lizzie, who is not who is not as pretty as her older sister, but she is confident and an independent woman. Also, she is very smart. So there is um, Catherine and Lydia, who are the same age, and they are unwise and rash, and they are always getting the family in trouble, especially their reputation. And there is the youngest sister, who is Mary, and she is the introverted and quiet one. The movie has a beautiful photography, has a perfect executed art direction, and this makes honor to the beautiful landscapes, castles, and to the picturesque houses of the families of the town. And another remarkable thing about the movie is the clothing design, which has lovely dresses and accessories, and that helps to the viewer to get involved and to get that epoch vibe. So I highly recommend this movie. It is a beautiful movie, have great performances, the story is very emotional, and maybe what I like the most is how it shows how difficult was to be woman about those days.